everyone! Kamusta na kayo? Dito na naman tayo para magbahagi ng mga everyday nating mga experience dito sa mundo. Anyway, kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, please do it. Likes and share na rin please para updated kayo sa aking video. Hit the notification. Anyway, today is Tuesday. Katapos ko lang mag-lunch. It's 12 something na ngayon and the weather is very nice. It's like, it's pleasant, 60 something. So hopefully, mag-stay yung ating weather just like that. Kasi springtime, but look, sometimes meron tayong winter in one day, summer ng one day, you know. But we cannot complain, like I said, kasi we're so lucky. We don't experience yung mga calamity dyan sa everywhere, you know. So, kamusta na kayo? I hope na okay lang lahat. Sana wala namang may mga sakit o anumang problema. Kung meron man, just, you know, don't worry. Ganyan lang talaga ang buhay natin. Normal na yan nangyayari sa buhay. Actually, yung mga sakit-sakit na yan, bigla na lang yan lumilitaw ng hindi mo ine-expect. Kaya kung minsan nakakatakot, pero wag tayong matakot because lahat naman tayo may mga katapusan. Hindi tayo pwedeng lahat maiwan dito sa mundo. Kaya okay lang. Just enjoy life. Cherish the moment. Every day, we have to live like day by day kasi naandito na kami sa reality. Kaya this time alam na namin yan na, you know, life is too short, so enjoy while you can. Anyway, tapos na lahat ng mga marami nang nangyari for a couple of days kasi I've been busy for a while. Talagang napakadami kong inasikaso. I mean, sa trabaho, dami akong tao dahil nagkaroon kami ng mga parties. Tapos, na-busy ako kasi I have to prepare for my daughter's second year niya kasi I can't believe second year na ng anak ko. So proud. So basically it's really hard. Busy ako, which is good, busy, so I don't have time na maging emotional, although paggabi, hindi mo pa rin yan makontrol. So, anyway, but like I said, na-busy naman ako, so I'm okay. So, nag-invite ako ng couple of friends and family dito sa bahay. Wala lang akong mga picture kasi I don't feel like to celebrate that occasion because it's not our occasion. We just wanted to, yung may kasama kami during that difficult time para makapag-pray kami ng medyo marami kami kesa sa dalawa lang kami ng husband ko. But actually, hindi ako picture because like I said, it's not a good memory to, you know, celebrate. So, what we did is may konti kaming salo-salo because I usually, you know, kasi I decided now na lahat ng mga occasion namin is we're going to celebrate kahit na malungkot, kahit ano pa, basta we were going to celebrate just to, you know, parang natuto ako since my daughter passed kasi parang gusto ko everything is meron akong remembrance para when our time come, at least kahit na yung mga tao, syempre nakikita pa rin nila. Kaya I'm so glad na may social media kasi sino naman magtsatsaga to remember you? Syempre wala, especially sa amin na mga wala na kaming next generation, so unless na yung mga pamangkin, ganyan. Pero aside from our own generation is tapos na yon. So, uh, uh, kaya ako, kahit papano, para hindi naman sayang yung stay namin dito sa mundo, meron din kaming kahit papanong magandang alaala na maiiwan dito. So, ito ang ginagawa ko ngayon. Look at me, I'm so busy. Actually, this week, kahit busy ako, I squeeze yung mga preparation ko for the party kasi ang party sa akin is, like I said, I was doing it because I know how to party. Ako kasi, hindi naman ako magastos. Kaya wag kayong magtaka, si Reggie, ganito, ang dami, party-party na naman. Pero hindi naman ako gumagastos ng malaki kasi ako, gusto ko lang para bang, ano ko lang yan, yung, parang pasasalamat ko lang. And I acknowledge my, yung blessings plus the, sa mga taong around us. So, I rather do that, which is, yan naman talaga ang naumpisahan namin since before, since andito pa yung anak ko, she knows how, yung way ko to say, appreciate ko yung mga taong around, kahit yan lang, kasi hindi ko naman sila pwedeng i-treat lahat kasi dami akong friends, marami akong mga clients na, at least I invite some, yung mga mahilig ba mag-party-party. So, habang andito kami, I will try to do all those things. Anyway, like I said, tapos na yung nakaraan na yung nakadalawang taon anak ko, which is very, very sad. Yun yung mga time na ayaw mong ma-remember. But anyway, my daughter, she's always there for me. I can feel her. I can tell that she's always there kasi before the Holy Week, I think, or before her, yung anniversary niya, I have a dream about her. I saw her in my dream, but like I said, yung nakita ko siya, she look different person, but I can feel she is my daughter. Actually, naandun kami sa parang hole, na parang, I don't know what's in there. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung anong klase, but it's like a big hole sa ground. Tapos, umiiyak naman ako kasi, kinakadel ko yung anak ko, kasama ko siya, but I don't know why I'm crying. But anyway, maybe I'm very happy that I saw her again. And I remember this kid, she's very tiny, and she has long hair. She's wearing a brown skirt, like a dark brown skirt, and like a beige on top. So, but she looked different, but in my dream, I know that was her. Kaya, at least nagpaparamdam yung anak ko in a different way. Kaya, I'm so happy naman na kahit papano, for me, in my mind, at least para sa akin, feeling ko naalala ako ng anak ko, although alam niya na yung time na yan is very difficult from us 2 years ago until now. So, wala naman tayong magagawa kasi this thing happened, and I know wala namang prevention sa when your time comes. So, wala akong choice but to embrace, the life that we have. So, ganun na lang siguro talaga. So, anyway, just like I said, I feel good at the same times because my daughter, I feel like she's always there. She always care with us, sa mga parent niya. It's just happened lang talaga na ganun siguro, but it was very overwhelming kung iisipin mo. Kaya, ang hirap talaga. This is the hardest na mararamdaman mo sa mundo, yung mawalan ka ng anak. Kasi naramdaman ko na lahat na wala na both of my parents. But look, okay naman ako. Naintindihan ko, except to my daughter na I cannot, I don't know how to help myself and how to convince my brain that, wag na akong masad. So, I'm pretty sure some other people na hindi pa nangyayari, I'm pretty sure they don't understand, but some people that they understand what we've been through is alam nila yon na hindi yun madali. Kaya ito na lang ang pwede namin gawin sa buhay namin. Anyway, nagkaroon kami ng magandang party last Saturday because it's my friend's birthday, her 61st birthday. Haji Gayem, happy birthday, and I'm sure you enjoy your day. So we have a very successful celebration. So I'm so glad that you enjoy your 61st birthday, kasi hindi mo naman na-celebrate for last year because thing happened to your mom. My friend mom passed away last year before her birthday, so we don't have chance to celebrate her birthday, but at least we were able to celebrate ng maganda, maayos. So it's good dahil we enjoy yung moment.